time. Now that it's officially spring, it's also grilling season. The next time you go to grill some chicken, I have just the marinade for you. The only ingredients you'll need are boneless, skinless chicken breasts, mayonnaise, and hot sauce. So I'm just having these chicken breasts. This is gonna help them cook more evenly, but also more quickly. If you are an overachiever, after having them, you can pound them so that they're perfectly even. But if you don't feel like doing that, don't do it. I don't feel like doing it today, and they're still gonna be really good. I'm just gonna wash my hands. Now that our chicken breasts are halved, they are all ready to marinate. And to do that, all we need is some mayonnaise and some hot sauce. So mayonnaise is obviously extremely delicious, but when you use it as a marinade, it has all these other amazing superpowers that the chicken is going to really appreciate. So it's going to cling to the meat, it's gonna help with browning on the grill, and all that fat is really gonna help impart a lot of flavor from our hot sauce. So you can use whatever your favorite hot sauce is. I think that's one of the really fun things about this marinade. I have some Cholula, which Justin and I totally love. We love it. So all the vinegar in the hot sauce is going to tenderize the meat. And then obviously all that garlicky chili kick is going to impart a lot of really bold, confident flavor into the chicken. So we have half a cup of mayo, 3 tablespoons of hot sauce, and for good measure, I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt. Honestly, if you find that food is always like maybe a little more salty than you would like, you have a low salt tolerance, skip it, that's fine. And now I'm just gonna mix them together. And I also think a really good rule of thumb with marinades, they should be intense, right? But they should also be really tasty, because if you like the way the marinade tastes, you're gonna like the way the marinated meat tastes, right? Especially with something like chicken that can be really kind of soft-spoken to start out, especially like chicken breasts that can dry out or be bland. This marinade is going to do wonders. So I'm just using an old takeout container, which is great because it's reusable, and because the chickeny guys are kind of stacked up on each other, I'm just giving them a little flip. Oh God. So everyone is like really well coated. And if like, I don't know, you're feeling ambitious, you could turn them a couple times while they're marinating. That would help too. Okay, our chicken is all ready to marinate. I'm gonna stick it in the fridge for 6 to 24 hours, whatever works with your schedule. And at that point, we'll be all ready to grill. So my grill has been heating up for like 10 plus minutes, which means we are all ready to cook. Woo! Cut. So I've just been using half of a red onion to oil our grates. It's a trick that I learned from Food 52's Any Night Grilling cookbook. It also smells really good, which is nice. We have chicken that I marinated last night, squeezed off as much marinade as possible. And now that the grill is over high heat, all oiled up, we are ready to cook. So our chicken has been cooking for like 4 minutes over high heat. While we are waiting for it to wrap up, this is a great time to subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more few ingredient recipes. It's done. It's done. The chicken might have to cook like maybe 1 less minute on the other side. But luckily, because of the mayo marinade, it's really, really hard to dry out. So I'm gonna let our chicken rest for a few minutes. That helps it stay nice and juicy. In the meantime, we are going to make our sauce for dunking. And it just happens to use the same 2 ingredients that were in the marinade. Mayo, I have a 1/4 cup, and your favorite hot sauce. I am just gonna eyeball like a tablespoon of hot sauce, but do whatever feels right. This is where you can kind of go off the rails. So our sauce is all mixed. Our chicken is rested. I whipped up a salady potato situation inspired by a recipe on our site. Let me know in the comments what you would serve this chicken with. It's so amazing because all we needed was hot sauce and mayo, and it's so flavorful, and it truly goes great with everything. So I would love to know what you would pair it with this spring and summer, and I'll see you next time.